Okay, first off, I want to say hello. Caitlin, if you're here, I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. I spoke with Cliff this morning. He said you guys are very successful, but I can go ahead and shoot this video over to you if I had anything maybe I could offer to you, give you some insight. I'm with Belanja Solutions, that's the name of my company, and I just wanted to go over a couple of key factors here that help businesses rank on Google. You have content, backlinks, and citations. So let's just jump right in here. I did auto repair Mount Pleasant. Yes, you guys are right here. Hudson import, first page. Your competitor is Mount Pleasant Auto. Let's take a look at your page. And I have a tool that I can use. I can plug you right in here to Ahrefs. Now, content is everything that is on your page, including keywords. Backlinks, obviously, are referring other websites that refer you back to you, like an endorsement. You have citations referring domains that attach to your Google Business Profile, and that includes Yelp, Angie's, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. So citations, backlinks, and content really play a key factor here. So looking at your page, obviously 14,000 backlinks, you're killing it, referring domains, organic keywords. This traffic is what you get from your keywords. Take a look at your competitor, Mount Pleasant. They're right up there on top. They are right here in the map. Map right here is how you get with citations. Citations directly play a part in ranking in the map pack. This is a advertisement. This becomes your organic. Your organic search results come right after the map. So they're right here. You're right here. This is them. So let's take a look at them. They have 163 backlinks to your 14,000. They have 30 referring domains to your 47. But they have 154 keywords with 334 traffic volume from that. You have 143 versus a 63. So let's break this down just a touch further. Let's go to Overview 2.0. It's going to change a little bit, but it allows me to access the organic traffic versus the original overview page. I can't access the original traffic, so we'll change it. So organic traffic 63 from your keywords. Let's take a look at what is generating this. This is your top keywords. This is the search volume per month that these words are searched. Now let's take a look at that for a second. Let's take a look over here. Let's drop him into 2.0. Let's take a look at his traffic from his keywords. 400, 450, 450, 450, 150. These are his top keywords. So what I'm showing you here is that even though you have a beautifully ranked page, he is above you with the keywords. And you guys are extremely successful. And I just wanted to give you a little bit of insight. If you bumped up those keywords or changed that, that would rank you a little higher in the map. You probably get up here in the top 3 or so, I believe. You're down here, maybe 8th, 9th position. So that is just a little bit of what I had going on there. Once you bring your backlinks, keywords, citations together, it really helps out. I hope that you found some of this information helpful, even though you guys are doing extremely well. I thought maybe that might be beneficial to you. If you would like to reach out and talk, that's great. I appreciate it. Have a good day.